This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Mark Ingledow. In-town living with privacy and a mountain view. This unique 4-bedroom/3.5 bath 2,880 square foot home has been totally redone. New roof, new dual HVAC, new kitchen, baths and wood floors. A lovely home with an open floor plan, lots of light and loads of entertaining space. Relax near the stone fireplace in the gathering room off the kitchen, or downstairs in the guest suite complete with a full kitchen. Huge master bedroom suite upstairs plus 2 guest bedrooms and a guest bath. Enjoy a beverage and total privacy in your hot tub on the terrace patio or toast s'mores at the fire pit. Plenty of room for a garden. Why wait? It could be yours. For more information